Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. Today we are going to study about a very small but important topic, which is an attribute known as digit. What is digit? How do we implement that particular attribute in our Odoo 19 custom code? Let's see. Now what is exactly a digit? So digit is basically an attribute for the float data type. What I mean to say is, here you can see we are in the library management module, and in that module we can see here there are book price with the particular price having value precision up to 2 decimal points. Now what if I want to calculate the book price up to 4 or 5 points after the decimal point? So in that case we can use the digit attribute from the Odoo. Now let's see what it means in practical. Currently you can see by default Odoo keeps 2 decimal precision. Now what I'll do, I'll go to the code. Here currently I am in the library.book model, and here as you can see we are in the price field, which is basically a float type. And here what we will do, we will add the attribute comma space digits is equals to, in the round bracket you have to add two parameters. First, the number of total digits followed by the number of precision. For example, let's say we have total 5 digits, and out of 5 digits we want 3 precision digits. So I have just simply used digits is equals to 5 comma 3. Now let's see what happens in the UI. I'll simply restart my server, go to the browser, go to the apps, upgrade my module, go to the library management, and see, now you can see there are 3 precision after the decimal point. Why? Because we have added here 3 precision point. If we add here 4, then we can see here 4 precision point after the decimal point. So it is a very small but useful attribute, so that you can utilize the float field very efficiently. So let me summarize today's small topic. In order to add a precision in the decimal point of any of the float field data type, what we have to do, we simply need to add an attribute known as digits is equals to followed by bracket. Here first parameter is the total number of digits. Remember guys, this parameter is not restricting the particular field to limit as 5. For example, here you can see we have total 5 digits, 1 2 3 4 5. But if I want to add here more than 5 digits, let's say 204, I can easily add. So remember guys, this is not limiting here, this does not limit the float digits to up to 5 decimal point, but it is a standard to add here as a parameter. The main thing is here we have to use the second parameter as our precision point, whatever you require. I hope this small topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.